mo pag PC collection?
Yes.
USB lang? Ano pa? Mouse. Tama kayo yung hula mo? Reveal na yan! PC, Pansit Canton, shorter! PC, Pansit Canton! Anong gagawin niya ni Sir Norwell? Mag-PPC, magpapansit? Ayun na nga. Perfect! Good job! Gawin niyo yan mamaya mag-PC kayo. Next, Danica. What you got? Can you show us? What is your package all about? Reveal na yan. We have fitness package. Reveal na yan. Fitness package. Bakit may script tayo dito? Para saan yan? Another one. What you got? Meron din tayong gloves. Kitchen gloves. Meron din pang hilot. Perfect na perfect. Araw-araw ka maligo ha. Oo. Mag-shower ka all the time. Deserve mo yan. Perfect. About for ma'am, second to last winner. Trip to Korea. Ano kayang laman ng ating package? Show what you got. Oh my God, lucky me. Sobrang lucky mo for today. Kasi you are
Lucky me.
lucky ka talaga. Panalo ka, sister. Congratulations. Last winner, salon package. What you got, can you show to us? Ay my God, talagang elegante yung ating sponsor. Meron siyang pa-cream silk. Meron din siyang Pagod Johnson's hydrating oil gel. Meron din siyang mga nails. Extension nails. Ma'am, kailan mo gagamitin yung extension nails?
Mamayang gabi.
Sige, umpisaan mo na ngayon. Congratulations sa lahat mga winners! Nag-enjoy pa sila? Congratulations! Ay, bata! Bata! Paano ka ginawa? Charot. Bata! Kuya! Kuya, what's your good name?
Jacob.
Jacob, can you show us what you got? You got a business package. Can you show your package to us? Reveal na yon. You got pasta! Ang daming cat goods! Oh my God! Show to your guests. You got, meron tayong corn, sweet corn. Meron tayong Youngstown. Meron din tayong another Youngstown. Another beef or another baked beans. We have also here Argentina corned beef. Hindi rin mawawala ang dato puti, suka at toyo. Perfect na perfect sa pang-adobo. Waging-waging ka, kuya. Iuwi mo na yan. Congratulations! Congratulations once again sa lahat mga winners for tonight. Ang ating Who's Who and ang ating Bring Me Game. Maraming salamat.